This is the Place in Model command of FlatText. I go to the Tools menu, down to FlatText, and select Place in Model. I get a dialog box that's preloaded with my default message. I click OK, and now I have a preview rectangle that shows where the text is going to be placed and how large it will be when I click again. I can also get the command by going to the tool palette and clicking on this button. I'm free to edit the message any way I want to. And when I click OK, place it in the model. It'll behave just like the 3D text command and stick to whatever surface it comes in contact with. In fact, it'll even stick to a Face Me component like Steve here. Now, when I rotate the viewport, Steve continues to face the camera, but the text rotates with the model. That's the difference in FlatText. It stays right where you put it. And in fact, it'll print looking exactly like you see it on the screen too. Now here's a real-world example. This is a plumbing project that we're working on right now. And I need to add a little note over by the gas meter. Now before I use the command, I'm going to go over here to Preferences and change a few of the default settings. This time I don't need a default message, so I'll just backspace and get rid of it. I want the width of this text to be a little more, like 240 inches, and it's going to be left justified. I'll show you why in a minute. Now I'm ready to use the command. I click on the button. Now I've had a little bit of text prepared in a text editor. I'm going to paste it into the dialog box like this. I can resize the dialog box if I want to, just to check my text, and now I hit OK. As you can see now, the cursor is on the left side of the preview box because it's left justified text, and that makes it real easy to snap onto the leader line here. Pretty handy, huh?